Clean earlobes with mild soap and water or alcohol wipes and allow them to dry. Plug the connector end of the ear clip wires into your Alpha-Stim. Make sure there are 4 new ear clip electrode pads on the ear clips. Saturate the ear clip pads with several drops of Alpha-Stim conducting solution while they are on the ear clip electrodes. Squeeze ear clips open and apply 1 to each earlobe. Press power on. Set the timer. 20 minutes is usually enough time if current is set to at least 250 microamps. 40 minutes to an hour or more is recommended if the current is at or below 200 microamps. Increase the current slowly until a dizzy feeling is experienced, like rocking on a boat. Then decrease it immediately until the dizziness stops. Also, decrease it if the normal tapping sensation felt on the earlobes becomes uncomfortable. For people who have a history of experiencing vertigo, which means dizziness, treat at a current level of 100 microamps for 1 hour or more to prevent residual vertigo after treatment. Sit or lie down and let the Alpha-Stim relax you. You may also do normal activities such as reading, working at a desk, or watching television. Do not attempt to drive or operate dangerous tools or machinery during treatment. Always complete a cranial electrotherapy stimulation session. When the time session ends, if a heavy feeling is experienced, resume treatment for at least 2 minutes after the heaviness lifts and a light feeling develops. When CES treatment is complete, remove ear clip electrode pads and discard. Replace with 4 new ear clip electrode pads and store for next use. Cranial electrotherapy stimulation may be used as often as necessary, but for most people it's best to treat between once a day and twice a week. Results usually improve and last longer with additional treatments.